Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel cloud1e.com, and today I'm going to discuss about the new features and the service announcement released by AWS. So especially they released some of the new features on 9th of July 2023. So majorly they released an update related to RDS for PostgreSQL and MySQL. So previously, whenever we are deploying a multi-AG for our Postgres and SQL, for especially for RDS, so it is going to create one standby copy in a different availability zone. So with the new feature, with two readable standbys, it is going to support. It is going to create two readable copies in two different availability zones. With this new feature, you can reduce the failover time. Previously it was around 65 seconds, 60 to 65 seconds, and now it has been reduced to 35 seconds. So this is the RDS podcast with single standby, and you have one primary writer instance, and it is also created a standby instance in the different availability zone. And the new feature is going to create two standbys. So whenever there is a failure happen, the failure time is like around 35 seconds with the new feature, so that there are two readable copies here. And let me show you how you can select this from the console. So let's see if I'm creating an RDS and create a database. I'm choosing a PostgreSQL with the production template, and if you see the availability and durability, you have three options now. So previously we have only two options, and this new feature is just been added, and you can create a single database instance or multi-agent DB instance and multi-agent with DB cluster. So multi-agent DB instance is going to create a standby instance in a different availability zone, and with the new feature agent DB cluster, it is going to create two readable standby DB instances with each DB instance in a two different availability zones. And there are other new features also been added. So especially one thing is related to AWS Backup, and AWS cross account backup previously supports only few regions, and now they added 10 additional regions, and the total regions now it supports around 17. And AWS Blue Edge, it's also some kind of a framework that helps you to build and deploy applications that are resilient to failures. So it does this by automating the process of transforming your legacy mainframe applications into cloud native applications. And now with the new feature, it is now available to package for easier Amazon EC2 deployment. So the new runtime makes it easier to deploy Blue Edge applications on Amazon EC2 especially. And the other one is for Amazon Code Guru. So the Code Guru is now supports Java 18. So normally the Code Guru is a kind of reviewer, and it's a service that uses machine learning to find potential defects in your code. So it can help you to find performance bottlenecks, security vulnerabilities, and other potential issues. And the Code Profiler is also a service that helps you to understand the performance of your code. So it can help you to identify bottlenecks, hotspots, and some other areas like wherever your code can be improved. And the last thing is like Amazon managed Grafana, which is now supports Prometheus 2.1. With this, you can visualize 2.31 metrics as well in Grafana. So the major release which we discussed about is Amazon RDS, which is a the great feature that we can use it for our PostgreSQL, especially for PostgreSQL and MySQL. That's all for now. Next week I'm going to come up with the new releases that are going to release by AWS, and I will just highlight what are the new and the best features released by AWS. Thank you very much for watching my channel, and please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the below button. Thank you so much once again. See you.